got a ways to go. Oh, say hi. So we are on our way to Nihon, Japan, and it's gonna be our first time out of the country actually, so should be a lot of fun, guys. I'm super excited. We're gonna be going to shop a lot around Harajuku and Shibuya, I think. Yeah, should be a lot of fun, man. But this is the plane ride, ANA. I'll see you guys when we get there. Dude, it is freezing.
I know. I might put on my gloves.
I have to put on my gloves too, man. You can't bring Hawaii kids into this kind of temperatures, guys. It is all of like 40 degrees only. It's not even that cold. We're not built for the cold. Look good though. I like this jacket, man. Shout out to Triple Fat Goose. This thing is sick. Where's that logo? Bam. Thank you guys. If I didn't have this jacket, I would seriously be dying. Go check them out, guys. Seriously, great jackets and very, very stylish, man. What are those?
I like it.
Would you date me?
We'll see.
We're at Shibuya crossing right now. This is lit. I saw this in Tokyo Drift, I think, once. Remember when Han died in that scene, guys? Hell yeah, see, my man.
Dude, that was sick.
That's why I brought you along.
Yeah, it happened right here.
It did, and then he died, like right around there. All right. We got the bait store over here. That's cool. Oh shoot, they got way more shoes than our bait too. Anything good? I think this is the Shibuya Air Force. That's kind of cool. Standard color though. Oh, this is actually a kind of cool bear bird. It's like a Space Invaders one. I'm bringing that back. One of the popular things you have to do, apparently, when you're in Japan is one of these things. 100 yen, 1 coin vending machines. Look at that selection, man. And that's it. It's a standard vending machine. Was that awesome? Came all the way to Japan for that.
It's only 100 yen though.
I know, that's super cheap. It's the price that matters. Candy. So hype. Look at all these hype. So much hype. No man, we're going in the bathing ape. Yo, this is sick. Should we get this for Kuma?
Yeah.
Will this work for Kuma?
Yeah.
Kuma won't like the ape though. Kuma is more of a refined, supreme kind of dog.
Oh my god. Bryson, gotta turn it off.
What? Okay, so basically Bape kicked us out saying that we can't record in their shop for some reason. I don't know why. Do you know why? You don't know why either, man. But it's okay. We still secured the bag. We got some kind of like DBZ collab thing. And we still recorded most of it. So, Bape, I don't know, man. It was a really cool store. I don't know why we can't record in there. Yeah. Now, we are on the hunt for this big Gundam looking thing that's super popular. It's in Odaiba City. So, yeah, we've been walking and it's pretty ugly outside. So, not good because I'm actually wearing, bam, expensive shoes that aren't supposed to get wet. This Gundam better be worth it. Whoa, kakoi, sugoi. I wonder if they call it unicorn because it has a big horn. Unicorn Gundam! What are we doing today, Jakes?
Fine, we're just going shopping.
Where at?
We're in Akihabara.
Akihabara. Like they got the old mark. Oh my gosh, these prices though, dude. This old Capcom game is $87 now. This was 107. Wow.
$107.
Yeah. Oh, I remember this one, Kirby too.
I had this.
Tetris. Just Tetris. There's all the old Pokemon games. This one was one of my favorites for sure. Nothing beats the blue version though, obviously.
So I got this thing.
What is it?
It's pretty much like Ike comes as a default and he's battling someone else. You know, like in the game.
Okay.
Got this pack right here. Potentially one of the other guys he can get, but there's like 10 other people.
Good luck, man. Who are you hoping for?
The Black Knight. That's Ike's eternal rival.
Okay, let's see what we got. It's like a cool sneaker unboxing, but without sneakers and way more weeb. Going in, look at this unboxing, baby. Ah.
All right, you guys ready for this?
What is it?
Oh man, it's just some girl. Damn.
Sorry, man.
I gotta get another one.
I'm too, let's do this.
Which one did you get the first time?
Got some girl.
A girl.
He was super sad.
All right, guys.
Oh my god.
At all.
Oh boy, here we go. You guys ready for this?
Okay.
It's
A Pegasus Knight?
It's Ryoma.
Oh, Realma's a good character. Hey.
Okay, I'm stoked. Let's get the hell out of here.
Now we are done because it is super late and we are tired and we have to catch like a 30-minute train or something back home. So yeah, no shoes at Akihabara at all. So if you guys are looking for shoes, I wouldn't go over there. A lot of anime weeb stuff though, like all over the place. So that's cool if you guys are into that. And yeah, that's it guys. Shoots.